Hello, I'm Leah Head, and this is my vocabulary lesson. To start out my lesson, we will play the game, the freeze game from Go Noodle. I'm going to show y'all part of it. It talks about words, and it's reading for them. Let me show you. I hope y'all can see it.
What word is this?
So they'll pick out what word that is, and hopefully they'll know it. We'll play that a couple times and just kind of talk about it, talk about the words that they should know how to read, and then we'll jump into our story. The words I picked for today are out of the book The Word Collector by Ryan Reynolds. So first off, we'll start by reading the book. The objective for this lesson is to use words and phrases acquired through conversations, reading, and being read to, and responding to text, including using frequently occurring conjunctions to single, simple relationships. The motivation for this is we're going to make a journal at the end of the class. At the end of the lesson. We will read the book, The Word Collector by Ryan Reynolds. This is a picture of the book. I hope you can see it. Oh, you can't. This is a picture of the book. It's about a little boy that everybody collects something, but he collects words. And it helps him learn more about what's going on. He collects words that he hears, words that he sees, words that he reads, and he writes them all down in this little journal. And then at the end, they have this like party. He loses all his words. He was so happy he lost all of his words. The words that we will go over that are in this story, that are great vocabulary words for this age, are collect, marvelous, transporting, jumbled, and scurrying, which throughout the book we'll talk about them. And at the end, we'll kind of review over them. Like, hey, do y'all remember what scurrying means? Like we saw in the book where it talked about scurrying. What were the people doing? And those kind of words. What a collector is. What marvelous means. There won't be any homework. There's really no need for early finishers. It's kind of a group effort. I also have the words up on the smart board throughout the lesson so they can kind of be like, hey, that's a mental reminder. I need to remember that word, most likely. For my special needs, their interventionist will probably reread the book to them, and the words can be retaught to them, obviously. I'm going to make sure for my remediation students that they know the words. If it takes writing them with the definitions to remember it, flashcards, anything of that sort to help them remember. Our enrichment, which is so super cool, we're going to make a word collection book. And I have a picture of one right here. Hold on one second. It's called My Word Collection. And it's kind of like what James did in the story. Here's the materials they need. I hope y'all can see that. I'm very good at this. It's markers and crayons and stickers and paper and scissors and yarn, ribbon, either one. And it says in the inside, I love to read. It's not the same thing. Hold on. You're going to cut the paper, make it My Word Collection. And on the inside, you're going to have a page that says words I see, words I hear, and words I read. And other categories of words, just words that make sounds, words that mean big, stuff like that. And they're going to use the ribbon to tie it together. And they can use it. They can walk around with it. Be like, oh, hey, this is my word. And it's just so cool because it's just like this one about the book we read. So that's the My Word Collection book. And that is all for our lesson. So thank you.